Oh my god!
Yes, I can do that. I can do that. Wow, that's so amazing. Performance EVs. So everybody knows EVs can go fast, but are they any fun to drive? Recently, I had the opportunity to drive the Tesla Model 3 Performance at Sepang. And although the car is one of the best performance EVs you can get, I wasn't impressed with what it can do on the track. So I concluded that maybe performance EVs are fun on the road. And I have with me the Smart #3 Brabus. It has over 420 horsepower, 540 Newton meters of torque, and goes from 0 to 100 in 3.7 seconds. The question is, are performance EVs fun to drive? So we're gonna find out today. Let's go!
What about the tires and the brakes?
Okay, nasib baik. Cakap bahasa Melayu pula. Okay, when it comes to performance, what's important to me as a driver are a few things. Number one, the tires. Number two, the brakes. Number three, the suspension and handling. With the Smart #3 Brabus, I'm a little bit concerned because number one, it has 20-inch tires, but they are on Continental Eco Contact 6, which are not performance tires. And the only difference with the #3 Brabus and the standard #3 is red brake calipers. There's no cross-drilled brakes, no performance brakes. I'm concerned whether the setup that we have here can really control the power that we have on tap. So the other thing that's different with the Smart #3 Brabus is the chassis and suspension. So I've been told that Smart worked with Mercedes and Brabus to make the car more fun to drive. Well, today we're gonna drive this car to Genting and see if we survive. Let's go. Okay, so we're on our way to BHP Karak to start our drive up to Genting, and I've been driving the car around town from our office to where we're going. And it certainly feels nice to have so much power on tap and you can just turn it on like that. Normal day-to-day driving, the Smart #3 is very comfortable. I like the interior and I like that this car has a personality. Like the headlights they look like eyeballs, and the sounds and the chirps are fun. This car is fun. It's like a competitor to the electric Mini. But there are also certain things I don't like. The tire noise, I don't know if you can pick it up, but we're just cruising at 100 kilometers an hour now, and the tire noise is very intrusive. There's not enough storage cabins, not enough storage places for me. In my EV6, there's so many places where I can put things, and I don't like that the door pockets are not lined with felt. So if I put anything in the door pockets, it's going to be very noisy, and it's counter to what an EV can do because EVs are very quiet. And the other issue I have is with the regen. The regen feels very weird. It's sometimes over-aggressive, sometimes not enough to slow down the car. It's a mixed bag. You know, because we're testing this car as a performance car, I'm quite concerned that I'm not confident with the brakes. And we're going into Genting, there will be times where we're going to brake really hard. So I hope that I can really rely on the brakes. And then I'm gonna change the way I drive. So usually if you drive an ICE car, you want to make sure that you're in the right gear so that you can power out. With the Smart #3 Brabus and with any electric vehicle, you get instant torque from like 0 RPM. So that means I can go in really, take my time going into the corner. That means brake really hard and then press on the accelerator, no problems, and adjust the throttle while I'm cornering. I have a lot of expectations that this car is going to be fun, you know, because it has suspension tuned by Brabus and Mercedes, and they say that it's going to be fun. So I have a lot of expectations, and I think will be fun, but first impressions with regards to the brakes, I am not sure. What's important for me is the tactile feel of everything. So I like to know what the car is doing. So the one thing I like about the Brabus, the Smart #3 Brabus, is that it has the simulated engine sound. So it gives me that feeling that, okay, this is what the car is doing. It's important. A lot of people think that maybe it's not, but for me it's important because when you're driving an ICE car, you know you're in a power band. You know how much power you have left just by the sound of the engine. So this helps give me that kind of confidence. The other thing I like about the #3 Brabus is this steering wheel. Alcantara, so it's very nice to feel and touch. And the shape is good. It's really conducive to performance driving. The width of the steering wheel itself is also very nice. So we're now heading to BHP. I've tried some spirited cornering just now and I like how flat this car feels. So again, I have a lot of expectations just because of my initial impressions of the car. I hope the brakes hold up. One more thing, this car is light considering an EV. So I think it weighs less than 2 tons. I think about 1.8, 1.9. We'll put the actual number on the screen after this. So lightness is also important in a performance car. So like I said, certainly EVs can go fast, that's not a problem. But can they be fun and can they be engaging? And that's what we're trying to find out with the Smart #3 Brabus today by driving it up to Genting. Okay, let's go. Not happy with the throttle response. I cannot with this throttle response. Okay, I'm sorry, I gotta change and do sports. Okay, let's see if the throttle response here now is better. I cannot. I think my passengers will puke. Okay, let's stop this navigation. Okay, alright. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Alright.
Yes.
How he asked that and then he goes for it.
I'm asking for consent.
Oh my god.
Okay, I'm having I'm smiling. I'm smiling.
I can't record already.
I'm smiling. This is good. I'm having fun. Yep, it's easy to drive an EV fast at this road. So my theory is right. You're gonna have fun on the road with a performance EV, provided that the performance EV is made by people who knows how to, or they have a car background. So maybe I have to try the WLTP performance again, Levi.
Oh god.
Up to Genting. It's holding the line very well, and I can go in, like I said, so my driving now I've changed. I'm going in a bit slower because it tends to understeer, but after that I can just rocket out
Take the level there.
like it's nothing.
Is that a level? Is that a truck?
I'm not sure what is it.
I can't think.
Look, it just grabs and go. It just grabs and go. Dia terus macam setong pergi macam tu. Do you guys feel it or is it just me?
Yes, we feel it.
Everywhere.
We feel it from the start.
Looks like we have a challenger. Let's go.
Yes, it's all family in the car. Oh my god!
Yes, I can do that. I can do that. Wow, that's so amazing.
Did you just drift? Did you just drift?
No,
good thing.
I like how I can like really step on the brake and just go. So my theory is right.
I think it's okay.
I think the GoPro is okay.
Yeah, it's okay. It's still holding. We are still holding. Good. Damn.
Oh my god!
Maybe it's the last time I naik the thing.
The brakes are holding up very well.
We are holding up very well.
I hope you guys are holding up well too. And then the road is not smooth, okay? So in an EV, it's always bumpy. The suspension on the Smart #3 Brabus is very well sorted. I feel like I'm driving a tarmac rally special car because the torque, it goes like a rocket. I don't like driving this car in the city. It feels normal, it feels mundane, it feels noisy. But here, I'm all smiles. I'm all smiles. I'm all smiles. I hope if only it came with better tires. If only. And then I'd like the regen to be more, actually. So this is on medium regen. I don't know if I want to do, or if I can change to, but I think this is good already. This is good already. So you need to help navigate me as well. We're reaching Gotong.
Haven't yet.
Weather, oh, now it's raining.
Yeah.
It's gonna be challenging. I really like this car. It's effortless. Effortless speed, nimble, light, good brakes, good suspension, good steering feel, and that engine noise helps a lot. I'm telling you guys. Just the only thing I need, better tires. Better tires. So the throttle response, when I turn it to sports mode, is so much better than when it was on Brabus mode. So I think Brabus mode is a bit of an overkill. In terms of power and brake feel and everything, it feels the same to me. There's not much difference. Right, we are probably at the, this is maybe the midpoint of Genting. So far, so good. So we are halfway up Genting. Now the road conditions are not conducive. It's wet, and I'm not confident with the tires that I have. So once again, the tires that we're using now is the Continental Eco Contact, and if I read correctly, these are not performance tires, and I think these tires are a mismatch to what the Brabus can do in terms of performance and handling. So I'll be very careful with, let's see. Yep. Aha, so it's rear wheel bias. Nice, I can drift. I like it because I have traction control full on, yet it still gives me that slip to have fun and feel like a hero and not, be dangerous. I'm still within my safe boundary, so don't worry about it.
That's fast.
Oh, okay.
Feel the traction.
Yeah, I prefer walking down.
Okay.
Yes! I've always dreamt of driving a tarmac rally style car up Genting, and this feels the closest to it, especially in this slippery condition. It's so amazing. This car is so fun. We are approaching our destination. We're up to Genting, and I have to say, the Smart #3Brabus is a super fun car up these roads, especially in these conditions. So for me, EV performance cars, they're not hard edge enough to be reliable track cars, and if you shift the way you drive the car slightly, and don't worry about power band, and don't worry about being the rev range, and being very careful with the throttle, and being very deliberate on the brakes, you will have a lot of fun in an EV, more than just going in a straight line.
A few moments later.
That was a quick run up Genting. We started at our starting point, which was BHP in Kara, and then we went and did our Genting run in the Smart #3Brabus. I started out this video by asking the question whether performance EVs are fun to drive, because you know it's easy to make an EV fast. From my experience driving the Tesla Model 3 Performance at Sepang, I've concluded that actually EVs, even though they can go fast, they're not quite there yet when it comes to driving engagement and being fun to drive. Maybe they're not fun on the track, maybe they're fun on the road. I decided to take the Smart #3 up to Genting with my crew. I have Iz and Levi. I hope they're okay. But what I can say is this. I said the #3 tires are not performance tires. The brakes are not cross-drilled, so how can the basic tires or the standard tires and the non-performance brake really cope with the 420 horsepower, 540 Newton meters of torque and be easy to control? Well, I am happy to say that the Smart #3Brabus delivers. On the road going up to Genting, when you're driving it and you want to have fun, this car is so engaging. I like that the brakes feel direct, they're not vague. I like that the suspension handling and the tuning of the chassis hides the fact that this car is an EV. I like that it has 50-50 weight distribution. I like that I can control the throttle and really have fun with the car. Smart #3 is so fun to drive hard. If I'm going to get a Smart #3Brabus, I will upgrade the tires. That's what I'll do. It's really fun on the road. And when I was driving it, I thought, I was driving a tarmac rally spec car. It's responsive, handling is good, and it's fun. So that's it. EV performance car can be engaging and can be fun to drive on the road, provided that you have people who really know what they're doing and they know that, okay, I want to design a car that's also for drivers rather than just for the gadgets and gizmos. Okay, this is me, Amin. If you guys have any questions, let me know what you think. What are your thoughts? And if you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. This is me, Amin. Catch you guys later. Bye.